How to unsave pins on Pinterest. So open up your Pinterest application, then go to your profile by clicking on your icon that can be seen on the bottom right corner of the page. In here, you can either go to the Created tab or the Save tab. Now, what we need to select is the Save button. In this way, you'll see all the pins that you've saved in the past. Now, to unsave them, click on that specific pin that you want to unsave. Then click on the three dots icon on the top right. After that, tap on Edit Pin. In here, you can edit the name of the board, its description, and other settings. But what you'll need to do is tap on Delete this pin. It will ask you if you are sure to delete this pin forever, so just tap on the Delete button. After that, your pin should now be deleted. So that is how to unsave pins on Pinterest. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.